All right, I'm being nice to Mama. I'm letting her open the Doorables that were in my Easter basket. Why? Because she's a nice lady.
And this is the only box we have from Series 9.
Yes.
So look at the ones that are included, though. They're really
Yes,
some cool
we've
ones.
got characters from Mulan in here. I'd love to get some of those. We got cars in here. Mom would love to get those.
I'd love to have Mater.
We've got some adorable Winnie the Pooh characters, which I know Mommy would also want. And, oh, Mom, there's Edna Mode. I want Edna Mode. She's a limited edition. If we get Edna Mode, Mom,
your day is done and your day is complete.
I will feel like I've accomplished something in life. So,
all right.
let's get it opened up, Mama.
Okie dokie.
And also, to everybody who wants to know, Marshall's apparently sometimes has these. So go to your local Marshall's, everyone. How many doors, Mom?
Okay, it says 5, 6, or 7. I'll be optimistic and say 6.
Okay, I'm gonna go with 5.
Okay. Ooh, 5.
It's 5. All right, let's get opened up.
Knock knock. It says knock knock. Tick tock or talk talk.
Tok tok or clop clop. All right, let's get them out. Oh, this one's a small one. Let's get the rest out. All right, Mom, which one you starting with?
I did put them in numerical order, but let's do backwards. We'll go from the high number to low.
All right. What do you think it could be?
Definitely not a car because it's got a round head feet. Let's see. Does it have mini ears?
Could we be getting another Winnie the Pooh?
Well, wait.
If it's another Winnie the Pooh, that would be so exciting.
I think it's a mini.
Okay, let's open it up.
The ears, so we'll see. But
So,
it's mini.
For reference, this collection has a bunch of different Minnie Mouses in it. So if this is Minnie Mouse,
and we would love
Edna Mode.
Both. She would love Edna Mode as a limited edition. I would love
Karen
Beverly, who looks like a relative of Forky.
Forky asked a question. I don't know. What is cheese? All right, who is it? Who is it?
Oh, it's a heffalump.
Mom, that's not a heffalump. That's from Zootopia.
Oh, it's a Zootopia.
Yeah.
It's like a heffalump.
That's not a heffalump. Flip
Sorry,
it over.
Disney. Let's see. Finnick.
This is Finnick from Zootopia. How cute. And he is a common.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah. All right, Mama, get your next one.
Okie dokie. Let's see.
This line has some really good ones in it.
Okay, tall hat. Almost it feels like it's a pot on the top of its head. So what could that be? Oh!
Could it be Piglet? Is it Piglet? If we're getting another Piglet, that would be exciting.
Yes, and look if it is a Piglet.
Please be Piglet. Is it Piglet?
It is Piglet! Oh my gosh. Look at that Piglet. He's so stinky cute.
So this Piglet is also a common, but we don't care because Piglet's always rare in our hearts.
It's not Piglet, as you called him.
Pliget, yes. When I was little, I couldn't say Piglet correctly, so I called him Pliget.
Oh my gosh, that one's adorable. So those are 2 commons.
I'm happy we got a Winnie the Pooh one because I know how much you love Winnie the Pooh.
I do.
All right, who do you think it is, Mama?
Big head, but I don't think big ears.
Just
not
not
sure
sure who this could be.
Yeah,
big round head, so I don't know who this could be. It could be about anything. Let's see.
Could be one of the ants from A Bug's Life. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Mom doesn't know. She's only looking at the side of it. What is it? Who is it? Who is it? Pull it out.
What's this cat?
Oh, that's the cat from Soul. Flip it over.
Oh, you're right. It is the cat from... You're right.
Uh-huh.
There it is. Okay. Earth Mr. Mittens.
And he is a common.
He's a common.
But he has pizza.
Yes, but he is carrying pizza.
And pizza is delicious, so that's perfect.
yeah, super cute.
Yep.
Okay.
We got 2 more, Mama.
I need to watch that movie again, so.
Yeah, that's a cute one.
Okay, little ears. I'm hoping, well, maybe it's could be a Bug's Life. I think it's one of the bugs. Okay, one of the bugs. Am I right? Is it Dot? No, it's Princess Ada.
And Princess Ada is a rare.
Princess Ada.
Cute.
She is cute. I like Bug's Life.
Me too. We've got 1 more left, Mom.
We haven't had an ultra rare in a while.
No, we
But
haven't.
it's not a bug because there's not antenna. But bigger feet. So, Oh, and we need to have a Luca one too. If this was Edna Mode.
What if this was Karen Beverly, aka Forky?
No, I don't think so.
Well, Forky has bigger feet.
We don't have Forky. We just have
Karen Beverly. Who is Forky? All right, who is it? 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 Who is it?
I think it's
Who is it?
It's Luca.
So cute. All right, so
Luca's
we
also a common.
yes,
but
so we
super
have four
cute.
commons here, and we got one rare. Even though there's only one rare, this is still a good collection because they're all adorable. You ain't adorable. The look on your face whenever I said that. Okay. Are you gonna open any more, Mama?
I don't know. Should I open more?
What do you think? Should we go take a look at the box? Even if we don't do it today, we can decide what you're gonna do next.
Surprise me. Pick one.
All right. Which ones would my mom like? Let's see. Do we want to give her a collection peek? She'll think that one's cute. Let's do this one. I think she'll enjoy this one. We're gonna do this one in the next video, so come back to watch it. Say bye, Mom.
Bye. I want to be surprised.
Okay.